Make the bed. I always make the bed in the morning. Fold. Do you fold clothes after washing them? Tidy up. She asked the kids to tidy up their toys. Wash the dishes. I should wash the dishes before guests arrive. Set the table. They set the table for dinner every night. Answer the phone. The phone rang, but no one answered the phone. Dust the shelves. She dusts the shelves every weekend. Do the laundry. She does the laundry as soon as she gets home. Cut the grass. He cuts the grass when it starts to grow too tall. Mow the lawn. I need to mow the lawn before it rains. Fix the roof. You should fix the roof, it's leaking. Water the flowers. She is watering the flowers. Feed the dog. Did you feed the dog? Cook. My mother is cooking the meal. Wipe off tables. Wipe off the table, it's disgusting. Sweep the floor. Please sweep the floor, it's covered in dirt. Clean the bathroom. I'm cleaning the bathroom. Clean the toilet. Tomorrow I will clean the toilet. Mop the floor. She mopped the floor yesterday. Take the rubbish out. I took the rubbish out last night. Hang out the laundry. He is hanging out the laundry. Iron the clothes. He forgot to iron the clothes. Vacuum the floor. I need to vacuum the floor after dinner. Clean the window. Please clean the window, it's full of fingerprints. Wash the car. I'll wash the car tomorrow.